3-ball juggling trick edition. This time we're going to eat a juggling ball. That's right, you heard me. We're gonna eat a juggling ball. So here's what you need to be able to do before we even get to this trick. Make sure that you can hold 1 in your hand while juggling 2 in your hand with holding 1. Notice I have 1 ball in my hand and then I'm juggling 2 over and over. I'm literally holding 1 in the back while juggling the green and the blue one in the front. So that's very important skill to be able to have. It's 2-ball juggling, but you're just holding a 3rd ball in the hand. Make sure you can do that before moving any further. The other good trick to be able to do here is called a multiplex. A multiplex is throwing 2 up at the same time. So instead of 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, you're gonna be able to do 2, and then we go into a 3-ball juggle. So again, I have 2 in one hand and I throw them both up and I split them. When you split them, that's helpful because then they're going into your left and right hand. So up, split, and then I'm going into 3-ball juggle. Those are the tricks you need to be able to do to make this trick happen. Now, once you've practiced, you can hit pause and practice those, then you're ready to move on. So here's the trick, here's the successful eating of the juggling ball, and then I will break it down. Watch closely. And oh, excuse me. I just ate that juggling ball and then I spit it back out. It was really disgusting. I am so sorry. Okay, now here's how I did it. What I did is while I was juggling, I collected this clear or purple ball, however you see it. And when I collected it, I then went into 2-ball juggling. And then I did a multiplex out of that to be able to go back into 3-ball juggling. So I'll break it down without the theatrics again. So I was juggling, I then collected, and I went into 2-ball juggling, and then I did a multiplex to go into 3-ball juggling. Now, with the theatrics of it, when you collect that final ball, you want to put your hand up to the mouth. You're still just doing the exact same thing. It's just a little sleight of hand to get people thinking that maybe something went inside. It's also distracting from the fact that you're actually holding that 3rd ball in your hand. So here we go. We're gonna catch it and then watch. So we've collected, right? And I'm gonna maybe even do this with my mouth if you saw me doing that. Good. Again, it's all about the theatrics. And then all of a sudden, multiplex. Now the multiplex theatrics is that you want to try to take that hand that's throwing the 2 up to your mouth to again distract from the fact that the ball has been in your hand the entire time, not in your mouth. So here we go, ready? And that's it. That's all it is, all right? So I'll do it one more time. You can watch closely for all of the parts. Ready? Did you see it? All right, now you too can eat a juggling ball. It's a crowd favorite. Enjoy, maybe have another one handy and you can act like it's wet or slimy. However you do this, I'm excited to see it. Please feel free to share it. And remember, if you like any of these videos, you can like and share with any other aspiring jugglers. Remember, that is amazing.